It's today the day?
Today's the day.
Oh boy.
God, he's here already.
It's Christmas. Well, it's not Christmas, but you gotta pay for it.
You a wild man.
This was not bought this week.
You signed papers for it today, though. Sign your life away. Should've got carbon fiber.
Damn, that copper's badass, bro. Why with copper snap-on?
6 toolboxes. A1 service.
I was looking at the.
How much is that box? Free delivery, that's all I can tell you.
Check it for dings.
So these are the mats. You have this thing, and then those are probably all.
Oh shit, you got free cardboard?
$5 grand worth of cardboard right there. There's a $5 grand keychain right there.
Look at this though. The toolbox don't move.
Let me test it out for you.
So is this everything that you hoped for?
It really is actually.